Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wavy, and I know this video is long overdue, so let's just get right into it.
Once upon a time you make it tick like your clock. Once upon a time you arched up and broke your back. Once upon a time you used to love what you were act. Then me tell you say me love you but me want it back. Yeah, the way you put it on me. Yeah, the way me.
So before actually creating, actually renovating the space, I had just thrown my things in there. It wasn't really decorated or anything. I just threw my things in there, moved out of my room completely, and then it was just looking like this. I can't really go into details, but I had to give up my room and I was creating a room in the living room, right? So my mom and I came up with this idea to make a bedroom inside our living room. So we still have a living room, but there's just an additional bedroom there. So this is a process that we went through. It's not entirely finished right now, but it's looking so good that I couldn't wait to post this video. So let's get right into it. This is just a simple DIY project that you can do at home. I know many persons probably want to create more space in their home and they don't want to add on. So this was a very fun and creative DIY for my mom and I. We really enjoyed doing this.
I can see the light but I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is dark and waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful.
You guys can see my mom has become a ideal painter, professional at everything. Yeah, goods come right out. Yes, my mom did all the painting in my room. Of course, I did the white parts, which is why it's looking so messy, but my mom did an excellent job. I'm not going to lie. I really love how everything turned out. So tell me guys what you think.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. dead. But I can also see the bones decay. I don't know what else there is to say. I'm doing my best not to run away. Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wondering how the world keeps on spinning, kinda scared of living when it unfolds. Hard to see the light when everything is silent, waiting for the clear. Thankful I'm alive, but terrified of dying. But hey, I'm still here. Is it that sometimes I like it when I lose control? There's something in it that's so beautiful.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Mwah! It's your Wavy, and go and big up yourself.